Experian Boost and Credit Karma help people monitor or improve their credit profiles, but they work in different ways and do not provide the same type of benefit. By the end, you'll know how Experian Boost and Credit Karma compare, what each service actually does, and which option may fit your credit goals. Experian Boost is designed to help eligible users add certain positive payment information to their Experian credit file. It focuses on including additional payment history that may not already appear on a credit report. Credit Karma is a credit monitoring service that gives users access to credit information and tools for tracking changes in their credit profile. The main difference is that Experian Boost focuses on adding eligible payment information to one credit bureau's file, while Credit Karma focuses on monitoring credit information and helping users understand changes. A credit score depends on the information in your credit reports. Adding positive information may help some users, but the impact depends on the information already in their credit file. Credit Karma can be useful for checking your credit profile, reviewing account information, and watching for changes over time. It can also help you understand factors that influence your score. Experian Boost may be useful for someone who has eligible payments that are not currently included in their Experian credit history. The service does not replace responsible credit habits or guarantee a score increase. Before using either option, review your credit reports and understand what information is already being reported. Look for missing accounts, incorrect information, or areas where your credit profile can improve. The biggest factors behind long-term credit improvement are consistent payment history, responsible credit use, and managing account balances. Experian Boost and Credit Karma solve different problems. One focuses on adding certain payment information, while the other focuses on monitoring and understanding your credit profile. Neither service can fix inaccurate credit information automatically. If you find an error, you need to follow the proper dispute process with the credit bureau involved. The better choice depends on what you need. If you want to monitor your credit activity, Credit Karma may be useful. If you want to check whether eligible payments can be added to your Experian report, Experian Boost may be worth reviewing. The key points are simple. Experian Boost and Credit Karma work differently. Credit reports determine your scores, and consistent credit habits matter most. Your next step is to check your credit reports, identify what information is missing, and choose the tool that matches your goal. Subscribe for more clear explanations about credit scores, credit reports, and personal finance.